Alright guys, so for this month I made two new blueprints as requested. It was an SUV, so both of them are SUVs, and I made some rim models. You can get them all on my Patreon, and I also made a tire texture. Yeah, so this is not an actual geometry, it's just a texture. If you take a close look, you can see it's just a texture. Alright, if I go over to solid mode, you can see just a smooth surface, and I have a texture applied to it. So that texture is also going to be available for the patrons that subscribe to it, to the texture pack. So all these props and blueprints are going to be available on my Patreon. If you're not a patron yet, you can go ahead and join with the link in the description, and you can get access to all this. So for the rim and the tires, you can use it on your models, you can use it for whatever you want, but you can't sell them anywhere else. Okay, so you can sell them along with your 3D models. Maybe you have a vehicle model you want to sell, you can add the rims to those, the rim and the tires to those to that vehicle model and sell it all together, but you can sell this on its own. That's what I mean. So yeah, this is what I made for you guys this month: two new blueprints, two rims, and a tire texture. You can get all from my Patreon page. So yeah, see you guys in the next video.